Hey everyone! The end of the year is fast approaching, and you know what that means. It's time to maximize your savings during Q4 sales. I'm here to share some top tips on how to plan your purchases, use discount codes effectively, and stack those rewards to save big. First up, let's talk about planning. Most people wait until the last minute to shop, but if you start now, you'll have a better chance of scoring those deals. Make a list of what you need and want. Prioritize the essentials and keep an eye out for sales on those. Don't forget to check the sale dates for major events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and pre-Christmas sales. Hit that subscribe button. Let's shop. Alright, the next tip is all about discount codes. Who doesn't love a good discount code, right? Sign up for newsletters from your favorite retailers because they often send exclusive codes to their subscribers. Also, check out websites like RetailMeNot or Honey for additional codes. When you get to the checkout page, always look for that promo code box and apply your discount. Now let's move on to stacking rewards. Using a rewards credit card can be a game changer. Many cards offer cashback, points, or miles for every dollar you spend. Combine this with store loyalty programs to double dip on rewards. For instance, if you're buying electronics, use a card that gives you extra points on tech purchases and make sure you're signed up for the store rewards program. Another great strategy is to use price tracking tools. Websites like Camel for Amazon or Price History Feature can help you track the price of an item over time. This way, you'll know if the deal you're getting is truly the best price. Don't forget about cashback websites like Rakuten and Swipe. Before making any online purchase, go through one of these sites to earn cashback when you spend it. It's not getting paid to shop. Lastly, always compare prices. Just because something is on sale at one store doesn't mean you can't find it cheaper somewhere else. Use comparison shopping tools like Google Shopping or Price Grabber to make sure you're getting the best deal. Alright, I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-saving advice. Let's make this Q4 the most cost-effective yet. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.